Hi, I'm Gabriella from iSolutions, and today I'm going to be going over how to send a request for payment information link to your customers using the iSolutions app for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So to get started, I'll open up Business Central. I'm going to come over here and go to Customers, and then go to the customer I'd like to send the link to. From here, all I have to do is go to Actions, iPayments, and then Email. On this page, I can change the to email. This is being pulled from the customer card. I can also change the subject line as well as the message if I'd like to, so I can change the name here, or any of this information. You can also add an attachment or any of these word templates or anything like that. So from there, once I'm ready, all I have to do is click send email. And now let me go ahead and open up my email. And it looks like it's come through. So all I have to do is click here. This is what your customer will see. They'll see any cards that they already have on file, just the last 4 of them. Then they can add credit or debit, as well as ACH if you're signed up for that. So I'll just go ahead and add another card here and click save. So your customer will be notified saying that it's been successfully added, and somebody on your back office team will be sent an email saying that this customer has just added another piece of payment information. So if I close out of here and I go back to Actions, iPayments, Profiles, and Business Central, if I scroll down, now I can see that that second card is stored. Keep in mind that you can also do this on a more than one customer level basis. And we do have a link to that on our channel as well, so check that out. And if you have any questions, please use the link below to reach out to us or contact us at support@isolutionsgroup.com. Thank you.